Hi guys! We're in Mahanakung Skywalk. Highest peak ng ano,
Palace building.
1,030 feet high here in Bangkok. Taas, nakalula. We went there to the glass tray. Kita mo hanggang baba. Taas, oh. Kita mo whole Bangkok from here. Medyo hindi okay ang panahon pero it's still okay. Inalaw pa kami magpunta rito, maglakad sa ibabaw ng glass.